Good morning, honorable judges and audience, and everyone around here. My name is Nayla Almira Salsabiela from Al-Azhar Senior High School, Bekasi, Indonesia. Today, I am very excited to introduce my innovation called ECOQUA. Our main focus is soil, water, and life. We want to show how we can protect our nature using simple and sustainable innovation. So, in Indonesia, we have a big problem every year. Floods. When heavy rain falls, the water cannot go into the ground. Instead, it stays on the surface and turns into mud. This happens because our soil and drainage systems are often blocked. On the other hand, we have so much agricultural waste like rice husks and coconut shells that are just thrown away. I created EcoQua to turn this waste into a solution for flood prevention. So, what exactly is ECOQUA? It is a special soil medium and a natural water filter made entirely from organic waste. It doesn't just hold water, it cleans it. ECOQUA works by filtering out dirt and absorbing bad substance so the water becomes clear. It is a very affordable, simple, and eco-friendly way to get cleaner water for our environment. My project is also aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. First is Goal 6, because it helps provide clean water. Second, Goal 12, because we practice responsible production by recycling waste materials. And third, Goal 13, which is climate action. By preventing floods, we are protecting our communities from the effects of climate change. To make EcoQua effective, I use a specific mix of materials. The composition ratio is 30% of rice husks and 15% husk charcoal to act as a filter, 25% coconut husk fiber to absorb and hold the water like a sponge, 25% organic compost to provide nutrients for the soil, and lastly, 5% of rice water to help everything mix together and start the fermentation. So, why I choose these materials? I choose these materials for three main reasons. First, they are biodegradable, so they are 100% safe for the earth. Second, they are very effective. Coconut fiber and rice husks are natural filters that can trap dirt and even remove bad smells. Third, they are low cost. These are waste materials that we can find easily around us, so making EcoQua is very cheap. Let's move on to the procedural steps. First steps is preparation. I collect and weigh all the materials according to the ratio. Second is mixing. I blend all the ingredients in a large container. Third is fermentation. I cover the mixture and let it sit for 3 days. Next is stirring. Every day I stir the mixture. This is very important to help good microbes or bacteria grow. Finally, the final result. After 3 days, EcoQua is ready to be used in the soil or as a filter. I tested EcoQua for 12 hours and compared it to regular soil. You can see the result in this graph. Regular soil makes the water very dark and muddy, but with EcoQua, the water clarity score is 5, which means it is very clear. This proves that EcoQua can stop water from becoming mud and keeps our drainage system from getting clogged. So let's move on to the SWOT analysis. First is strength. The strength is that EcoQuad is cheap and uses 100% waste. Our weakness is that it's still a prototype. So we need more research for large-scale use. The opportunity is big because everyone needs clean water and flood solution. The truth is that there are many chemical filters, but EcoQua is better because it is natural. In conclusion, EcoQua is a simple but powerful solution. The most special thing is the beneficial microbes inside it. This good bacteria will spread to the soil around EcoQua, making the ground better at absorbing water. By using EcoQua, we can prevent floods and keep our environment healthy. Let's turn waste into a solution. From Indonesia Waste, dedicated to Indonesia's future. Thank you for your attention. Hope my innovation could inspire the other scientific innovations out there. If there anything unclear, if you're curious about something, feel free to ask. Thank you!